Hey, hi, my name is Vigneshwaran and I'm an English language trainer. This video is a part of a 2-minute series titled English through IPL Medium, where we learn English along with some cricket action. So, let's learn. Imagine you're a captain of a cricket team the first day. Then, you're not the captain, and then you're thrown out of the team. Isn't that bad? Heartbreaking, I guess. Yeah? This is exactly what happened to Sunrisers Hyderabad and its captain, David Warner. We'll learn a word that exactly describes this scenario. We will learn heart-wrenching. Split that word into 3 parts for pronunciation. Heart-wrenching. Heart-wrenching. Give that a good try. Heart-wrenching. Good. Now the meaning of the word heart-wrenching. The word heart-wrenching means something that makes you really sad or heartbreaking kind of a thing. When you see an IPL winning captain thrown out of his team based on a couple of bad performances, which isn't entirely his fault, that is not fair. Yeah. To see a captain like him carrying drinks for his team under these kind of scenarios, that is really heartbreaking. Have a look at it. Heart-wrenching, yeah, right. So that is all about the word heart-wrenching today. If you have learned that word, go ahead and like this video. Let your friend know about this concept of learning English along with some cricket action so that they get to learn the language while enjoying the game. Thank you very much.